Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we begin a new series on another Louisiana state highway. We'll be covering LA 22 eastbound from beginning to end. The highway begins at the Mississippi River Levee in the unincorporated community of Darrow, Louisiana, at a junction with LA 75 and LA 942. Darrow is home to several of the historic plantations that have made the River Road area so famous. Hermitage Museum is known as Louisiana's earliest Greek Revival mansion. Bocage Plantation, built in 1837, welcomes tours and overnight guests to its bed and breakfast. Visitors to Homa's House and Gardens step back in time to learn about sugarcane farming, Civil War history, and Louisiana life during the antebellum period. We're in Ascension Parish, part of the Baton Rouge Metropolitan Statistical Area. The first 8 miles of LA 22 is a 2-lane highway. We pass through the unincorporated community of Hillaryville, which dates back to the late 1800s, although maps prior to 1970 call this area Marchandville, or Marchlandville on even older maps, probably a misspelling. We enter the community of Burnside, founded by French and German settlers in 1726, early in the French colonial period. This community is named for John Burnside, an Irish-American who owned the Homa's House sugar plantation from 1857 until his death in 1881. Here we cross Louisiana Highway 44, which we'll cover in a future series. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. We enter the town limits of Sorrento here. Sorrento had an estimated population of 1,704 as of 2019, an increase of 21.6% from the 2010 census. Sorrento is home to River Parish's Community College, established in 1998. Here we see a newly constructed roundabout at the junction of Louisiana Highway 70. We covered LA 70 in a video series a few years ago. We conclude today's video at the junction of I-10. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.